to use referral code on Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use referral code on your Binance account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Binance account, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Binance account, at the left hand side of the menu you will be able to see the option called referrals. Just simply tap on it, and over here you will be able to see the link of the referral that you have in your account available for you. So in order to use the referral code and to get some discount or to get some benefits in your account, all you have to do is just simply share your referral link with your friends and invite your friends to sign up and accumulatively deposit more than $50 in their account. And after that you will be able to receive 100 USD cashback voucher each. And as you can see on my screen, there are different kind of referrals that you can use. So first one is the light referral and the second one is the standard referral. So you can choose accordingly which referral code you want to share with your friends in order to get the benefit. And before sharing the referral code, you should also be aware of the rules of the referral code. So for example, if you share your light referral ID link with your friends who does not have the Binance account, so they have to complete the regular tasks. So referee must accumulatively deposit more than $50 within 14 days of registration, and both referrals and referee will be rewarded with 100 USD trading fee rebate voucher each time they open a new account. And there is also a disclaimer that you can only claim one reward per referral. For example, you will not be eligible for a standard referral reward if your friends sign up using your light referral mode. So just be very careful about that. And in the standard referral, you need to make sure that you are sharing this particular link while clicking on the standard referral. And after that, just simply click on invite friends. And after that, you just have to share this particular QR code with your friends, and they just have to scan it. And after that, just create their account for themselves. And just simply click on the share icon and just choose the application through which you want to share this particular code with your friends. And yeah, that's how you will be able to use referral code. So that is it for this video. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.